Ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka ba crowd do kata-kata baya ka ni ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy.
Dan wa iyan. Dan wa susuyan.
Pila benar tetian nga. Hindi ka jing ke jong ay pi kanum kala.
Arpsantrik District Library Jawai. Kasyu kan long khatway ka ba RBG ka ba sanbat ka ba news po ah. Try kerkui vi ngin sa kendo komplisibun. Amen.
Dagis paangot kisamla hak arpulai trik naitung kilaya lumlang halait nkra ban ai ka jingkershan ya kisamla ki ba penlong jingaki hajantar mantar Delhi ban pen pau persya haluar ka jinglat tu ki jingkeli exam need. Hakani ka sngi la sakhiru ya kisamla ki bara haringkat ki plakan ki badan ya ki jingtho ki baong baro ki phai kmat hajantar mantar ni dawa ba phidei ban eno akam ni dan ringkat bat phi. Kinong kren ha kan ka jingalang kila penrem jori ki kamle don bor jong ki pulit Delhi. Ha ka ba ki samna puli kila syak bom syak tit ta ki lathi bat syak siat da ki air pensat khaman ha ka por ba penlong ya ka jingai pat ba ka ba jai jai. Kini ki de ki samla puli kim de ki le no ki don ya ka hok ban bu jingkli ya ka sarkar ong uwe na kinong e ki. Ngiwan hang ne ban ban pau she ki tu ki badan Delhi ba kim long marwai ula benram. Kawai pat kanong ya shimbenta kebalawan haringkat patla ka jong ka kemi kalau ong baka ni gajing lumpat ba kalong ru na kabentai kitu kisamla ki bala pethat ila ka jong ka jing em namar kate ka jing light tu ki jing keli jong ka exam need ka jing bom lathi ka de ka bom shong nongrim ki babon ki lapoi hospital namar ki jing men saw kisamla ki dan ya ka hok ban pen sawai la ka jong ka ser klem ka no ka jing tiek jing smith kala ong kinong ya khi kila dawa ya ka jingkit kli na ka sarkar halor ka ni ka kenrum kenram ka bami na ka exam need bat kila kintu bade banyada ya ka hok jo ki pat ba ki ba penlong ya ki jinga khi ba jai jai
Ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka ba crowd do kata-kata baya ka ni ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy.
Dan wa iyan. Dan wa susuyan.
Pila benar tetian nga. Hindi ka jing ke jong ay pi kanum kala.
Arpsantrik District Library Jawai. Kasyu kan long khatway ka ba RBG ka ba sanbat ka ba news po ah. Try kerkui vi ngin sa kendo komplisibun. Amen.
This is a peaceful gathering. We are not aligned with any political party or pressure group. We have just come here to give our solidarity to the students and to the people there in Delhi and in Mumbai. So we are doing our part from Shillong as students as well as Gen Z. I think it's time for you to listen to us. We are the future. 600 million plus youths are here. So I think that's what is important, that you listen to us.
The ones who have died in the recent paper, I am not a NEET student. I might not be a NEET student. The students have died, and the ministers are not doing anything. The Prime Minister is not doing anything. The Education Minister is not doing anything. They have to resign. They have to take accountability. They cannot just look away out of this. They have tweeted stuff about saying that the leaks are like some of the leaks. They have tweeted this morning that the leaks has only some questions, but there are like 120 questions leaked. That is not okay. That was a leak. We are not taking accountability for it. We want accountability. That's all.
My name is Yashraj. I'm a responsible citizen, and this particular peaceful gathering is being organized by parents, students, and responsible citizens like us. And this is basically to stand with the students, children who were brutally being beaten on 20th of July. And that is why we just want to show that they are not in this alone. Everyone in this country, including people from Shillong, we are standing with them in this together. That's all. The message to the government is that whatever the protesters are demanding, there should be a dialogue between the government and the protesters and Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, who is on a hunger strike for almost 25 days, and the education minister should definitely resign, because it's high time that somebody should take accountability on this. That is the message to the government from our side. Today, we are not protesters. We are just independent citizens and responsible citizens who were just frustrated because we can't go to Delhi. We just thought that let's do something over here, and that's all. I can't say about that. I hope some result comes out because of this agitation, the peaceful gathering, the protest. Somebody should see what's happening in the country.